Hello guys, welcome back to another video series of Kali Linux. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install VMware Workstation Pro 15.5.0. So let's get started. At the first, you should download VMware Workstation Pro from internet that I have downloaded before. The latest version of VMware Workstation Pro that I have downloaded is 15.5.0. I will put the link below on the description, then you can download the latest version of VMware Workstation Pro from its own website. That's easy. Now we are going to install our VMware Workstation Pro. As you see, this is a vendor file. We should extract it. Right click on it and extract here. Now it should set the password. Now it's going to extract. So we extracted it. Click on extracted file. As you see, click on VMware Workstation Pro 15.1.0. Now it's preparing for installation. So we are waiting. Now we want to open VMware Workstation Pro. Click on it. As you see, here is the screen of VMware Workstation Pro. Now you can create a new virtual machine or a new operating system, or you can open your operating system. You can install Windows Server, or anything you want, you can install it. That's easy. So guys, I hope you enjoy from this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in next time.